Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How-Tos. In this video, I'll show you how to make a game pass on Roblox. So with the changes on Roblox right now, the creation process for game passes actually change as well. So I'll be showing you how to do that. So the first thing that we want to do here is we want to actually create or go to our creator account on Roblox. So to do that, you just want to click on the create that you see on the tab here. So you need to be logged in first for this to work. Just click on the create button here, and from here you'll automatically be redirected into your creations. So from here you want to choose the game that you want to create the pass for. So since I only have one game here, this is my place here. Just click on your place there, or your game that you want to create the pass for. Now here we'll be redirected into our game's settings, or a few settings that we have here. So here you want to go to the left side of your screen, and from here you want to choose associated items. And now under associated items, we want to go to passes. And under passes, you will see the create a pass option here. So just click on create a pass. And from here, it's going to be really easy. You just need to change the photo, add your name, and add your description. So for example, I want to change this to something that I want. So for example, I want to use this specific image here as the image for my pass here. So if you receive any errors on choosing the image, make sure that it's actually in .jpeg or .png or .bmp. So if you don't have this format here, you could use any tools online to convert your images, or reconvert them again to make sure just to make sure that you aren't actually having issues on it. So here we have our name here. We're going to name this as test pass. And here we want to add our description. So let's just add this one. And once you're satisfied, you could go ahead and click on the create pass. Now here it's going to create our pass, and we want to actually wait for this to load up properly. So if your pass isn't actually loading properly yet, you could actually just click on the pass itself, although the picture is not loaded yet. Just click on it, and from here you'll be able to see the details about our pass. So here we want to go to the sales option here under details, and from here you want to click on item for sale, and from here you want to enter the amount of Robux for you want to sell this one. So for example, we want to sell this for 10 Robux, and just click on save changes, and it's going to update it successfully. Now here we could also go to advertise. So if you want that, you could also go to my inventory if you want to go to do that. And yeah, you can just basically control your pass in this setting here. You just need to click on it as well. Go to your game, click on associate items, and go to passes. You'll be able to manage your pass from there, and that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.